Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Julie and I do handbag reviews. And if you're not new, welcome back guys. It's so great to see you. So today I have like a very sporadic Impromptu Coach unboxing. If you know me and if you followed my channel for a while, I'm not really big on unboxings. I kind of just reveal bags and review them or show off, you know, like collections and stuff like that. So I never really do like unboxings, like true unboxings. But I just thought, you know what, this bag came today and it was a bag that I actually had been not really considering even getting. I've seen this Coach bag out there in circulation, but the color of this bag is absolutely gorgeous. And my friend and I, she bought one similar to it in a different color. She bought hers in brown and I picked this up. So it's from eBay. So found this on eBay. It was listed at a pretty decent price and then they alerted me to say that it's gone down 20% by the seller. And I was just like, oh my God, I have to get this bag now. And so the seller was great. She sent it to me. I bought it before Thanksgiving and it is now Monday. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tear into this bad boy. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. If you celebrate, here in the United States, we have Thanksgiving, of course. A lot of my subscribers are from other parts of the world. So, but yeah, we ate like way too much food. So yay, here it is. And here's this. So it is a 1941 bag. And wow, this seller, so she didn't have many sales. In fact, I think her reviews were 100% feedback, which is great. But she only had like maybe 30 transaction history, but she was very communicative. I bought the bag and she sent me a note saying, you know, because of the holiday, I'm not gonna be able to send it very quickly. So, okay. It comes in the 1941 dust bag. Sorry, my focusing is a little bit blurry. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Okay. So it is the Coach 1941 duffel bag in the color hunter green. And it's absolutely beautiful. She had said that it was in excellent condition and it really is. And you guys, I think I paid like $140 for this bag. It was a deal. All the hardware is in excellent shape. Sometimes there can be scratches on the hardware. It does come with the hang tag, which I love. And then it's got a huge zipper pull here. So it's got this really big zipper pull. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside. So here is the strap. Now the one thing about this Coach bag that is interesting is all the hardware and the connections are all huge. Like these dog leash clips are way bigger than normal sized Coach, you know, dog clips, but the strap has grommets, and there's several adjustments, so that's really nice. I was really looking for a really good comfy crossbody, but you know what this bag really reminds me of are my tally bags, actually. Let me show you the inside. She is I'm gonna give her such good feedback. She really, really packed this up nice. It does have the 1941 jacquard interior, so it's nice and, you know, light in there. This bag is like so lightweight. It's great. It has almost like a Rogue. It's got one slip pocket with the snap and then it does have the creed patch and then the zipper. There is no feet on the bottom, but it does say genuine glove tanned leather. It is just so smushy, scrumptious. Some of these little bumps, I think, are from the interior zippers and things on the inside, but you guys, I am so happy. This is beautiful. It has this fringe zipper pull right here. I'm just really happy with it. You know, I have enough bags. Like, I'm just gonna face it, like, I have not, my bag buying is slowing down quite a bit because I'm working now in an office, so I'm finding myself actually purchasing when I do buy stuff. I'm buying clothes and shoes now instead of bags so much because, I mean, I need work attire because I'm going into an office more, so, but here it is with the strap. It's so cool. On the Coach website, they have the duffel, is it the duffel 17? I'll put the correct name below, but it's got a different way of connecting. It's actually got the, it's not the dog leash, detachable. It does detach, but it's different. It's more of like a belt buckle attachment. I really like the dog leash clips a little bit more. So, but yeah, this is so nice. I'm so happy with it. There is not a scratch. It is practically like brand new. And it smells nice. It doesn't smell like, you know, it smells really good. It smells really clean. I like that. There's always a risk whenever you buy something off eBay. So, okay guys, well that's it. Yeah, again, I'm just really trying to slow down on buying bags. I've got a lot of them now. I have enough, like, but I really want to start just reviewing more and doing more reviews, kind of like what Yoda's doing lately. She's kind of more on a little bit of a buying freeze and just doing more of her reviewing. So I think that that's really what I want to do more, doing comparisons. If you guys have any videos that you want me to do, just put them in the comments. I still need to review my Bandit. That is one that people are asking me to do. So anyway, guys, that is it. Thank you so much and take care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.